Hey guys, welcome to Toys Cafe. This channel show you how to make Asian food. If you like, please subscribe and put your comment.
And today, I'm gonna show you how to make Mentai kamatama udon. Mentai is seasoned cold roll. This is super easy, delicious udon and one of the famous udon in Japan. This is today's key point. If possible, you should select frozen udon and brand is Sanuki udon. It's so chewy. Sanuki is very famous place about udon in Japan. Many Japanese people go to Sanuki area just for eating udon. I add link of udon song in description. You will be interested in udon. If you can buy Sanuki udon, it's perfect. But if you cannot find it, you can check the cross section. You should select square shape, not round shape. I don't explain the detail today. If I explain, it takes more 10 minutes because I must explain about process how to make udon. Anyway, please select square shape. Next, please don't boil udon more than 2 minutes. It will become soft. If you like soft udon, then it's okay. And today, I'm gonna make special Mentai kamatama udon. I will use butter and sesame oil. It will make udon more tasty and flavor. Okay, let's get started. It's very simple recipe. First, I'm gonna boil frozen udon for 2 minutes. I already defrost the udon with water before boil. After boil, serve it into bowl. Normally, put egg and mix only. But today, I'm gonna season with some ingredients. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, one tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix it up. These ingredients make udon tasty. Okay, I'm gonna serve udon on the bowl. Put the yolk on the top of udon. And topping okura. Spring onion. Seaweed. Katsuobushi bonito flake. Tenkasu. And Mentaiko seasoned cold roll. And here we go! Mentai kamatama udon. Let's dig in!